What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about Curtis 15 Jackson and Young Miami. Members of the Black Mafia family show's cast and crew today gathered with friends and family at the red carpet premiere of BMF Season 2 at TCL Chinese Theater in Hollywood, California. A lot of people are watching BMF and for many, this TV show is their favorite of all the series that 50 Cent has ever produced and put out in the post-power world. If you don't know guys, this show is based on the rise and fall of the Black Mafia family brothers Demetrius, Mitch Flannery and Terry Southwest C. Flannery. This TV series was launched in 2021 and its second season opener for Starz BMF has finally arrived after a long 2 years. So as I said, today's celebs, rappers and cast of BMF attend the premiere screening and one of the guests who attended was Young Miami. So let's check this out the video, come on. Man, Young Miami looks so beautiful. Puff Diddy must be happy and lucky man. So BMF Season 2 is finally here and the second season of BMF kicks off in full gear with action, suspense and union that will set up great stories for the rest of the season. The first season dropped out on Starz in 2021 and had us all excited for the same. So this new season is way much better and harder. So guys, it was all. Thanks for watching. It's your channel YTV. If you like the videos and content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.